Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can convert image to PDF format on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, also put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let's get started. And let me tell you right away that in order to convert an image to PDF, you will not need any extraneous applications. All this can be easily done with the iPhone's functionality. So, to begin, you and I will open a photo or gallery, and you need to select one or more photos that you want to convert. If you want to select multiple photos at once, then you press Select. You select the photos, and after that, at the bottom, you click Share. You scroll down and select Print. Don't worry, we won't print anything, of course. It's just because of this feature. These photos are converted to PDF format. And as you can see, we have our 3 photos down here. And they're already in PDF format. And in order to save them only in PDF format, you have to click on the Share button at the top again. We also scroll down and choose Save to Files. Here you can choose a folder, or you can create a new folder where you want to save these photos. I'm going to save the photo folder to iCloud. You click Save. And after that, you'll need to find an app on your phone called Folder. It's installed on all iPhones. It looks like this. If you don't have it on your work screen, then you can easily find it by swiping your finger down on the screen. You'll get this search box where you just type in the word files. And as you can see, this application comes up. You open that app. And there you see our photos that we just converted to PDF format. You can click on them to open them. And as you can see, here we have them in PDF format. And now, you can, for example, send them, share them with some person. Also, to make sure that it's actually already in PDF format, you can click on the image, and a menu like this comes up, and you click on Information. And as you can see, it says it's a PDF document. So that's the easy way you can convert an image to PDF on your iPhone without any extraneous apps. I hope this video helped you, was helpful. Subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes. Also write comments and see you soon, friends.